Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's see what are these cards first. We have Emperor, Eight of Fire, and King of Water. So, with these cards in your circumstances today, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone in a good position today, guys. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, someone who has a lot of authority, or maybe you are dealing with someone who is in that position. Maybe they are working with the government, or they may be a lawyer, or they may be working in a bank or a school, somewhere, some position with authority and power, and people come to you or them for guidance and ideas, suggestions, what needs to be done. And you are someone really loving and caring, and you are a really supportive person. You look after others, and you are a kind and compassionate person, a helpful natured person, generous and diplomatic. So in whatever you do or speak, or in your actions or words, you are someone really friendly. You have good communication skills, guys. You work well with others, and you are someone who helps anyone and everyone in any difficult circumstances. So whatever clears their doubts and gives them clarity, you are someone who does that, and people respect you for that, respect you for your helpful nature, for your friendly nature. And today, maybe in your relationship, things are taking a sharp turn. You are with this person for quite some time now, and you are really ready to step into the next step of this relationship. Maybe you are thinking about commitment or marriage with this person, and even they are thinking of that because they love you and they see you as a good person to be with. They love your company, and you both may have a mutual love, respect and caring for each other, guys. And you feel that you have the person of your dreams with you in this person. So you have reached your goal. You feel that way with them. So whatever you expect in your dream person, you see all that in them and you are happy for it, and that may be the reason you are thinking of marriage or commitment. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So it is Six of Water. So with this card, guys, maybe you are sharing your stories with this person you love, maybe your past. You don't want to you don't want to hold anything back from them. So you are revealing everything to them, maybe whatever has happened, and you don't want to hold back any information from this person. So You are telling all your secrets. So this may be your energy or their energy, guys. So maybe they want to tell you all their secrets and maybe build this relationship on trust and honesty. Or it may be your energy. So you want to tell them everything and build this relationship on trust and honesty. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Two of Fire. So with this card, it just means that you are moving towards some collaboration today. Something good, positive is coming your way, and it is something, it will be a good collaboration, something that will work out well for you, taking you towards a greater prosperity and success. And you are seeing your dreams or your goals. You are seeing the path taking you towards your dreams and goals, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you are planning your future with someone. Maybe you are collaborating with another business or someone in your work situation, guys. So you are working with people. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys. But you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however, life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps, move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.